In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix correct website display on a phone. First, open your preferred browser by left-clicking the browser icon. Then, in the search bar, enter your WordPress website credentials and log into your website. After logging in, you will be on the WordPress website homepage. In the left navigation bar, look for the option labeled Plugins. Hover over the option until you see more options pop up. Then click the Add New Plugin option. This will take you to the Add Plugins page. Here on the right side, left-click the search bar and type AMP for WP. Hit Enter. Click Install on the matching search result. Wait a few seconds and then left-click the Activate option. This will take you to the plugin setup. Here, we will go with the beginner interface. Simply left-click the beginner option. Here, you can start setting up the plugin. First, select your website type. This website is a blog. Then, below that, choose where your mobile interface was causing problems. You can select Pages, Posts, Home etc. After that, you can set your design preference such as your default website color and logo. In the next setting, you can add tools like Google Analytics. Simply choose the tool from the drop-down list. You can set privacy terms such as the user will get a notification mentioning that your website uses plugins. Now your websites on mobile phones will be fixed.